Hi everyone, this is how to safely open the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G for any repair. Check the description for the required tools, safety gear and compatible parts. Start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. Now begin removing the back cover. Apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. We are using a heating pad with the back cover facing down. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer. Just apply the heat evenly. Make sure not to overheat, as excessive heat can damage internal components. Use a suction cup at the bottom edge to create a small gap. Insert a plastic upright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Keep the tool shallow and take your time. If needed, reapply some heat. Once the adhesive is fully separated, lift and remove the back cover. Next, disconnect the fingerprint and power button flex connector. Next, remove the 15 screws securing the mid frame. Make sure the SIM tray is removed before proceeding. Use a plastic card or pry tool to create a gap and begin separating the mid frame. Work around the edges to release the plastic clips. Be patient and avoid bending the frame. Next, gently lift and remove the mid frame. Finally, disconnect the battery connector. Now you can continue with further repairs.